Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about CSS variables. So let's see what is the CSS variable. CSS variable work as a var of function. So we'll work on that. The var of function is used to insert the value of CSS variable. Okay, so in that case, first I have provided one heading. So this is the heading one I have written here. Okay, so we'll work on this heading first, how to create it. So I will mention the style part here. And inside this style part, I will mention what all the features is required for this. Okay, so the CSS variable have access to the DOM, which means that you can create the variable with local or global scope. Okay, and change the variable with the help of JavaScript, and also change the variable based on the media query. So here first we are going to take as a root. Okay, so inside that root, I have to mention one syntax, that is red border, or it should be of 2 pixels, solid red. Okay, so in that case, what is going to happen? This is the syntax you can provide. After writing this, you have to mention h1, and you can provide whatever the changes you want in the h1. For example, I am going to write the border as whatever the pixel you want, or you can just write it inside the var function. So if you want that 2 pixel solid red, you just need to mention red border here. All the features are already mentioned. Now it is in the border of red and the color is red. So that is how you can provide it inside the variable function. It is just same as the JavaScript. This is one of the similar way of the JavaScript how you should write. First you have to mention the variable function and how to put that variable function inside your element. So that is how you can create it. This is the variable function you can provide it. Okay. So this is one of the easiest method. This is the function you should study in CSS. It comes very rarely, but you should know how to do it. Okay. So what is the advantage of using var function? Make the code easier to read. It will help you to make the code easier to read and make much easier to change the color value. So if I need to change the background color, so I will change it to the blue. Fine. So in that case, first you have to mention it like the blue, and then you will write background color var function of whatever you have mentioned there. So it's double hyphen bg blue. Okay. Now, fine. Let me see. Then what we are getting now, you can see on screen we are getting the blue as a background. So these are the kind of method you can do. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to CSS. Thank you so much.